Hi students, today in this video we go for the exercises of chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Bipin Babu's Lapse of Memory. So in the previous video we done the meaning words and now we go for the fill the blanks and other exercises of this chapter. And these are blanks that Bipin Babu said that in October 58 he was in dash. Answer is Kanpur. Number 2, dash was an old friend of Bipin Babu. Here the answer is Chunilal. And number 3, Bipin Babu didn't waste time in idle chat. The idle chat, the meaning of this word is that useless talking. Bipin Babu not interested in this type of talking and this type of wasting of time. Number 4, Bipin Babu was sure that he hadn't visited Dash in 58. So answer is Ranchi. So these blanks and now we go for MCQs. And here are MCQs. Number 1, what was Bipin Babu's hobby? Here we have to mention the hobby of Bipin Babu, so it is reading books. Number 2, in order to resolve the puzzle about his visit to Ranchi, Bipin Babu decided to contact Dinesh Mukherjee. The answer is Dinesh Mukherjee, and he want to recall his memory about Ranchi, so he want to contact Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. And now we go for the third. Number 3 is who gave a suggestion to Bipin Babu to visit Ranchi again. Here the answer is Dr. Paresh Chanda. When he consult physician to Dr. Paresh Chanda, then he suggested that you have to visit Ranchi once again, so you can recall your memory. Number 4, take the meaning word of utterly. Here the meaning word of this word is completely. And number 5, take the meaning word of at ease, and the answer is comfortable. So these are the MCQs, and now we go for the question answers of this chapter. And here are the short question answers, and these are comprehension questions. That number 1, why did the man stare at Bipin Babu's in disbelief? Means why did the man named Parimal Ghosh stared Bipin Babu? Answer, the man Parimal Ghosh was taken aback when Bipin failed to recognize him. When Bipin Babu denied that I didn't know you, then the man Parimal Ghosh was taken aback. He gave some clues, but he didn't believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory. He didn't believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory, so he stayed at Bipin Babu in disbelief. So this is the answer, and now we go for the second. And this is the second question. Mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Here we have to write 3 things about Bipin Babu that Parimal Ghosh knew. Answer, Parimal Ghosh knew that Bipin Babu's wife was dead and his only brother had died in the same year in a Ranchi lunatic asylum. He also knew that Bipin Babu had no children and he was a lover of books. These 3 things we have to mention. That first thing is that Bipin Babu's wife was dead. This is the first thing. And his brother, his one and only brother, died in asylum. And the third thing is that Bipin Babu had no children and he was a lover of books. So these things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu, and these are the personal things that he know about him. And now we go for the third. And number 3 is why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decide to phone him? Answer, Bipin Babu hesitated to visit Mr. Mukherjee, thinking that it would be ridiculous if he had really visited Ranchi. Bipin Babu confused to visit Mr. Mukherjee because he was thinking that it would be ridiculous. It would be useless if he had really visited Ranchi. Mukherjee would think Bipin Babu had gone mad. If he asked him about Ranchi, then suppose he thought that Bipin Babu had gone mad. Hence Bipin Babu finally decided to phone him, and finally he decided to call Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee to recall his memory. And now we go for number 4. And here is number 4, that why was Dr. Chanda puzzled and what was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory. Here we have to write the reason about that why was Dr. Chanda puzzled and what is the different about Bipin Babu's loss of memory. Answer: Dr. Paresh Chanda was a young physician. He was a young physician and he had never dealt a case of memory loss. He had never listened about this type of case, and so he was puzzled about the problem of Bipin Babu. He gave a suggestion to Bipin Babu to visit Ranchi again. Now he came to conclusion and gave suggestion that you have to visit Ranchi again to recall your memory. And now we go for number 5. And here is number 5, that had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi. Here we have to write our opinion that had Bipin Babu really lost his memory. Answer: perhaps not. I think that perhaps he not lost his memory. He finally recollected his memory and admitted that he had visited Ranchi in 1958. He finally recollected his memory, and by Chunilal's letter he admitted that he had visited Ranchi in 1958. So these are the short question answers, and these are comprehension questions that we did, and you have to read all the exercises and you have to repeat this in your notebook. Thank you.